So 31 days ago, I was trying to come up with a challenge to really test not only my body, but also my mind. And I was inspired by Jessie Itzer to come up with this run 10 miles a day for a 30-day challenge. And if you don't know me, my name is Vince from Life with Vince Luu. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up as I take you through my run 10 miles a day for a 30-day challenge. For the past 30 days, I would usually get up around 5:15 to 5:30, get my morning routine done.
Resting the attention on that movement. Remember, we're not trying to stop thoughts.
And I'm usually out of the house by 6:15, 6:30 at latest. I do a little bit of light stretching in front of my garage, and then I put my Fitbit on run mode and rock and roll. Day one started on Monday, March 30th. And honestly, the first 7 to 10 days wasn't all that bad. Feel good. Feel good overall. The run was still good. I honestly thought I'd be a lot more sore than I actually am. Day 8, run 10 miles a day for 30 days. Done. Another good run. It's going by super fast. I can't believe it's already day 10. And 20 more days to go. Still feeling really good. And around day 15, day 16, the halfway point, I really started to feel it. I was just tired. I had a lot less energy than when I first started, but I was trying to convince myself that it wasn't a big deal. And then I added an extra cup of coffee in the day. So now I'm drinking 3 cups of coffee instead of 2. I'm taking a nap, and that lasted pretty much the last 2 weeks. Today was an okay day. Still felt a little bit heavy, obviously, just from all of the running the past 14, 15 days. Then, day 21 happened. Day 21, run 10 miles a day for 30 days. Done. And today, sucked. It was actually really, really bad. Maybe I'm over exaggerating, it wasn't that bad. But it wasn't fun. Felt terrible all the way through. But after day 21, because that was my lowest point, it got a lot better. Because I accept the fact that it was gonna suck. And I'm going to feel terrible all the way through. Once you accept the pain, once you accept that it's gonna suck, it's honestly not that bad. And you kind of just smile and you laugh through it even. And you're happy to go through it. The pain, the suck. And it's supposed to feel terrible. It's supposed to feel hard. I still feel like dookie. The best possible way in which you can feel like dookie. That's how I feel. Because everything's really heavy. Time seems like it's slowing down. Each step is heavy. But each step is a step closer to me being done with my goal. So I just pushed it. I talked to myself. How bad do you want it, Vince? How bad? Never give up. Never surrender. Never give up. Never surrender. If Goggins can do it, you can run these measly 10 miles. Easy. It's easy. Yeah. It's supposed to be hard. But you gotta stay hard. Stay hard, Vince. Never give up. Never surrender. Never give up. Never surrender. Never give up. Never surrender. And here we are, finished. I'm finally done. 30 days, 10 miles a day, 300 miles. I'm done. Whew. It feels good. Just gonna take this moment, take it all in. So as far as the physical benefits, I actually weighed the exact same that I did when I first started, which is right around 133 pounds. I made sure to get enough calories so that I wouldn't feel like crap the next day. So I was eating 31 to 3,300 calories, which I tracked via MyFitnessPal every single day. So now I'm gonna show you what the physique looks like running 10 miles a day for 30 days. Also, I will add that I have been doing a ton of pull-ups as well. I do about 150 pull-ups a day. And so I might be able to keep a little bit of size up top because of that. So boom, this is what I currently look like. Not sure if this lighting is any good. The lighting in my garage might be a little bit better. So here. Boom, and that's what I look like from running 10 miles a day for 30 days. And even more important than the physical benefits, and there were a ton of physical benefits, the main one being that it really helped me build my base for ultra running, so to make those 50 milers and 100 milers a lot easier. But arguably more important than that are the mental benefits that came from this, because honestly, there were a lot of days, definitely more than 50% of the days, where I did not feel great or really that good at all. But for me, I am a pretty positive person, so even when I don't feel good, I'm still going to tell myself I feel good, I feel fine, it's not that big of a deal, and I'm just gonna push through it with my mind. And that's a lot of what it came down to, because there were days when I didn't want to get up. There were days when gravity felt like 5, 6, 7 times, like I was in a hyperbolic time chamber, and it was just weighing me down. It was a little bit of stiffness here and there. I had knee problems for the first 14 days where my knee was kind of acting up a little bit, but later on it like fixed itself, so that was kind of weird. But a lot of days I didn't feel like going, and a lot of the runs, it felt stretched. It felt, because I was out there for 2 hours a day, it felt like 3 or 4 hours, and every step was heavy, but I was just focusing one step at a time, one step at a time. That's all I can really do. And what really helped me push over the soreness and the aches and the pains is, one, as I mentioned before, accepting it. But I was just thinking about David Goggins, and for me it's like, stay hard, stay hard. If he can do it, then I can do just 10 miles. And he was peeing in a bathtub. So if you've ever read or listened to his audiobook, Can't Hurt Me, great book. I've listened to it 3 or 4 times. But he's suffering through this, and I'm over here like, oh, this isn't even that big of a deal. And that's what really helped me, is just to channel my inner Goggins, because he is the one that motivated me to start ultra running. Him and Jesse Itzer motivated me to do this challenge, but David Goggins is the one that motivated me to start ultra running and loving the pain, loving the misery. So when I'm running and it sucks, I'm like, yes. And you'll see me in some of the videos that in this video, it's just me in pain, but I'm laughing through it. I'm smiling through it, because I want to be in those deep waters, because I know that if I can get over that it's going to make me stronger mentally. And if I can apply these same principles of feeling uncomfortable, putting in the training, everything that I'm feeling into my other parts of my life, I know I'm going to succeed. And that's what I really try to do. So channel your inner Goggins. That is the secret. So thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Thank you to everyone that has supported me thus far. It's been a whirlwind of emotions, especially happy ones. There's a lot of old friends that I've reconnected with, people in high school that I didn't really talk to, that I talked to more because they tagged me in their running posts. And it first started out, I was tagging people daily on my Instagram. It was just 2 people, and then now it turned it into 11. And every single day for the past like week. I've been tagging all 11 people. So thank you to those people. You know who you are. I bet you it was definitely kind of annoying just to get my tags every single day, but you were all the ones that motivated me. And I just can't say thank you enough. And as far as my next challenges, there's a few things that I'm working on. So the main one is running 365 days in a row. So today actually is day 31 because I started running the day before this challenge. So day 31, I'm gonna go 365 days. Actually, you know what? 366 days, just because it's a leap year this year. So I have to count that. And the second big project that I'm working on that I've been discussing with a few friends is that I am planning, and I will be doing a 10K challenge, a 10K burn challenge. So burning 10K calories for the whole day, so 24 hours. So the plan is to start at 12 a.m. and then go until I finish burning 10K calories. And I think that's going to be a huge challenge since I don't really weigh that much. I don't have as much muscle as some of the bigger guys, so it's definitely going to be a challenge for me to burn that much. I figure I'll probably have to run at least 40 miles, maybe 50. I'm probably going to say 40 miles plus do like 5,000 burpees. And I'm trying to get a row machine, and I'm just trying to plan this all out. So stay tuned for that. I will be doing that, and I'm not going to give up until the 24 hours are over. So I have until 11:59 the next day. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching again. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please give this video a thumbs up. It'd really, really help me out. All right, see you soon.